Good morning, it's Peter Boulton leaning in. Do you know, I was just listening again to Jim Rohn on YouTube, and his message today, which I feel very inspired by, is it's not what you know, it's what you do. And isn't that just the fact? And in these lean in videos which I put out, you know, LEAN, lean in, that stands for learn, earn, action and now. And of course, it's so important, I think, within our businesses, if we're wanting to really run a successful business, to thrive in the businesses that we have, we need to be prepared to do those four things. We need to be prepared to learn. You know, every day we should be learning what can we do to improve and grow and develop our businesses. You know, it's about looking at those things which perhaps we don't really understand just yet, learning about those and then putting those things into action. And if we do those things, if we're learning, we then want to earn from our businesses, of course. And to me, running my own business, earning is about generating profits within my businesses. Like for you, if you're running your own business, you want to generate profits because that's really where our earnings ultimately come from. LEAN, learn, earn, action is the third letter, isn't it? And it's about taking action. And I think really, again, that's Jim Rohn's message, isn't it? It's not what we know, but it's what we do. And what he really means by that is take action, because without action, we just don't get anything done. And if we take action and it's the right action, we can be successful to generate the profits that we're after. And that last letter, of course, LEAN, lean in, N, it stands for now. And as I used to sort of say, my father had this expression that it's the most underestimated word in the English language, now. And what he really meant by that was that if you're going to talk about something, don't just talk about it, do it, and do it now. And that resonates really, I think, with Jim Rohn's message. So let me encourage you today that if you're thinking about what you're doing in your business today, try and think about what is it that you're actually doing? What are you going to do? And are you going to do it now? Because that's the things that will make a difference to the businesses that you run, the profits that you make, and really the satisfaction and fulfillment you get of being an entrepreneur or running your own business. Anyway, I'll let you get on. Have a great day.